All the style, all the tech, all the fun. The 2026 Hyundai Elantra makes a statement with bold design, sharp lines, and a modern look that stands out everywhere you go. Step inside and experience smart, intuitive tech. An 8-inch touchscreen display, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, HD radio, and Bluetooth hands-free with voice recognition. Comfort comes standard with a 6-way adjustable driver's seat, including height adjustment, a spacious cabin, and a ride that makes every drive more enjoyable. And it's all backed by America's Best, Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. Elantra was awarded IIHS Top Safety Pick. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. The 2026 Hyundai Elantra. All the tech, all the style, all the fun, and safety that comes standard. Experience it for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.